Fight COVID-19 self-care movement. Meet Dave. With the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic, he understands the importance of doing his part to prevent the virus from spreading. Dave practices good hygiene and self-care. He always checks his temperature at home before leaving for work. Dave does this because he knows it's everyone's social responsibility to ensure we are not putting others at risk by going out when we are sick. If Dave has a temperature, he stays at home and sees a doctor if necessary. Before entering his office, he is scanned again at a self-care kiosk, and his vital information is stored in the MOH database. Dave knows having this important information allows the MOH to better manage the virus, and if someone is sick, they can be tested and treated immediately. In these uncertain times, it's important for all of us to do our part in helping to stop the spread of COVID-19.